So I've been using these Google Pixel A buds for over a year, and I really enjoyed using it. And there are a couple of reasons why. One reason is that affordable option compared to the Pixel Pro buds, and it has most of the features I need. So this is not wireless charging, unfortunately, but you sacrifice that for for more affordability. So it uses the USB-C charger, and I have a magnetic end, so I can just take it out whenever I need to. But as you can see, it lights up when it's in charge or when it's in use, and it's very small, right? So the affordability is one thing, the size is another thing I like about it, and it doesn't have the features like volume down and up on on the buds like the Pixel Pro buds. But you do have the fast forward, stop, reverse on these buds by tapping it like that. I like the ease of use and the simplicity. Now let's listen to the sound quality and see or hear what it sounds like. Okay, mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. This is the sound of the Pixel A buds I have on right now. That's the sound quality if you want to know what it sounds like. For phone calls, it's pretty solid. It's not noise canceling. So if you want those features, then the Pixel Pro buds are the way to go. But as far as just everyday use and just having a very solid headset, this has done the job for me, and I enjoyed using it. And the case is it's pretty solid. It's taken some beatings, but overall, the size, the affordability, and just the ease of use is why I like using this every time.